The system is rigged. Saving your spare change won't make you wealthy. It makes you a victim. You want to escape? You need leverage, not a second job driving for Uber.
Step 1. Stop guessing in the markets. Learn to track institutional liquidity. Retail trading is a slaughterhouse. You have to master smart money concepts to survive. Ride the exact waves the big banks create and take your cut from the market. Step 2. Digital leverage. Holding physical inventory in a warehouse is a trap for amateurs. Launch print-on-demand anime merch or sell digital downloads for students. Zero overhead, pure profit. You design the asset once, and the internet sells it 1,000 times while you sleep. Step 3. Weaponize your attention using the creator economy. Stop scrolling and start extracting. The middle class trades their limited time for a fixed salary. That math guarantees poverty. No crypto scams. Just pure cash flow for promoting other apps or music to your audience.
Stop playing by rules designed to keep you broke. It's time to build your own economy.
Hit subscribe if you're done being a pawn. Let's get to work.